Hello everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. This is the first vlog of 2025. So it is Saturday, it is 11:30. I have been out and up already at the grocery store. And right now I'm gonna go head over to the gym and get a quick little lift session in. Depending on how crowded it is, I'll film some of my workout, but if it's crowded, I'm not gonna film because just, you know, I don't want people to feel uncomfortable when you just like prop up a camera. It's just awkward. And then I'm gonna go get a car wash because my car is filthy from all the salt that is on it. And it's really, really cold out again today. And it's gonna be very cold the next couple of days. But I figured we start off this vlog saying hello, welcome to the vlog. I am going to try this Alani Nu energy drink. Now, I am very much anti-energy drinks. I don't like them. I don't think I need them. I think they're just anxiety inducers for me. But I've seen so many people talk about this pink slush flavor as well as the watermelon one, which I also got, which is the Megan Maroney collection or like line collaboration, not collection, collaboration. So I picked that one up, but I put it in the fridge because I want to enjoy it. So I'm like, well, let me put that in the fridge and get the full taste test of it. I'm gonna try this out. So this is the pink slushy Alani Nu. I've never tried their stuff. Again, I'm not an energy drink person, but I figured before today's workout, let's get a little motivation. It already smells gross, but cheers. I mean, it's very sweet. It's not terrible. I think it would taste better if it was cold. Because it's kind of like warm. I don't know. I probably won't drink all of this because I feel like it's a little bit too much for me, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel. So anyways, let's go to the gym. Okay, so for lunch, I'm having a mixed green salad with tomatoes, some croutons, and red onion with grilled chicken, and just like a balsamic vinaigrette dressing. I did not go get a car wash yet, but I will do that after I eat lunch. I did go to the library and pick up some new books, and I know you guys liked it when I shared with you my last books. So the first book that I got is Done and Dusted by Lila Sage, which I'm so excited that this book is finally in stock to read because I've been wanting to read this book. This has been on my Goodreads to read for literally months, so I'm so excited to read this. We love a good cowboy romance novel, okay? We love it. The next one that I got, which I don't know if I'm gonna end up reading this one because I don't really know how I feel about the whole Colleen Hoover stuff, especially with all this Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni stuff going on. I don't know how I feel about the Colleen Hoover of it all. But this one is called Heart Bones, and I picked this one up because I saw it on the shelf and I was like, kind of intrigued. So I don't know, we might start reading this one, we might not. Right now, the Done and Dusted is like on the list for me. Okay, and then the other one I wanted to read is Building a Non-Anxious Life. And this one is by Dr. John Deloney. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I wanted to read this because I saw this by someone on Instagram was posting about a good self-help book to read, and I wanted to check this one out. So those are the books that I have. I need to start reading because I haven't read that much, but we are getting back in the groove. I'm gonna eat lunch right now, and then I'm gonna go get a car wash, and then I'm going to shower and get ready because I'm gonna go out to dinner like around 6 o'clock, so I need to be ready to go. So anyways, let's eat lunch. All right, guys. So it's around 3:20. I'm starting to get ready. I got out of the shower and lotioned up with my favorite EOS Vanilla Cashmere lotion. I know this is like all the hype everywhere, but like it truly is the best smelling lotion. When I wear this, I get so many compliments. So grab it. It's on my Amazon storefront, or you can get it at Target. Now I'm gonna sit down and get ready. I already moisturized with my La Roche-Posay. We're gonna do our makeup. I'm watching everyone posting all of like their final TikToks. TikTok is goodbye as of January 19th, which is tomorrow. When I'm filming this, it's the day before. So everyone's doing their final doom scrolling. If it's meant to stay, it will stay. If it's not, it's not. And we just kind of have to go with it. And I think like if it does stay, which I feel like it's going to stay, it's going to be like a different form of TikTok. I'm going to throw on a little TV show. I think I'm going to finish watching Jersey Shore Family Vacation because I'm caught up on Love Island, and we're going to get ready. So let's speed through the process. morning, everybody. It is Sunday, January 19th. It is the day of the TikTok ban, and the TikTok ban went into effect last night, and it absolutely sucks. I literally was like, what am I going to do? Like, I literally am not gonna have a doom scroll before going to bed. It's 8 a.m. almost. I'm having another Alani Nu. Now, the one that I tried yesterday, the pink slush, it was good. It was a little bit too sweet for me. My brother actually finished it because I did not. I just couldn't do it all. So we're gonna try the Alani Watermelon Wave. This is the one collab with Megan Maroney. I saw her promo for it. I've heard a lot of good things about this one, so let's try it out. Probably should not be drinking an energy drink, but I'm so tired today. Oh, this one? I think I actually like this one, the taste of this one, better than I liked the taste of the pink slush. This one kind of tastes like Nerd Ropes. No, I think I kind of like this one better than I liked the pink slush. So there's that. We are right now going to the gym, so we're gonna go do legs today. We did upper body yesterday, so we're just gonna do legs. I might do a little quick walk on the treadmill, not really sure, because I do want to come home and meal prep and vlog some stuff for you guys and start editing this vlog. So we are gonna go to the gym again. It's probably gonna be busy because it's been busy the last couple times that I've went, so I'm not gonna vlog inside the gym. But I'm gonna try to show you guys my meal prep today. So fingers crossed all works out. If I have a good enough filming setup, then we will film meal prep. Let's go to the gym, let's get a workout in, and let's go. Okay, so starting off on this Sunday for our meal prep, I am drinking a matcha latte from Starbucks, and I was jamming out to the Jonas Brothers' new song with Marshmello. But anyways, let's get into the cooking. So today I am making some roasted potatoes. I bought this little potato company pack and at the grocery store, and I went ahead and washed all my potatoes. And then I'm going to take this chopper that my brother got me for Christmas. Shout out to my brother Matt for getting me this. It's amazing. It just chops up everything so perfectly. You get different blades. I believe you got it on Amazon, so I'll link it down below. But fantastic. Chops up my potatoes so quickly, and it gets the job done.
Both the ceiling and the floor disappearing back and forth, nothing to stand on.
So I'm starting off by spraying some olive oil on a pan, and I'm just going to go ahead and put all my potatoes in there. And to season these potatoes, I am going to be using just black pepper and pink Himalayan salt. These are my two go-to seasonings for the potatoes, and then you guys will see shortly in a clip that I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder, not too much, just a little bit. I don't like my stuff too garlicky, but I just go ahead and mix those all up, and then I'm going to be putting those in the oven at 375 for probably like 35 to 40 minutes, just kind of checking on them to see how I like them. Moving on to meal prep, my chicken for the week. Now this chicken is specifically for my salads for lunch that I eat every single day. I use the chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's as well as paprika. This is the ultimate go-to combination. My chicken comes out fire every single time, so if you have not grabbed the chili lime seasoning and paprika on your chicken, you just need to do it. This is your sign. So I just go ahead and coat evenly both sides and just kind of, you know, do all that. And then I'm going to throw these into the air fryer for about 20 minutes at 375, and they cook absolutely perfect every single time. You guys will see the finished product of how just juicy they are. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys would have already seen that. So I'm just going to throw those into the air fryer. Once I finish with the chicken, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down my countertops because sanitation is key, and then I'm going to go wash my hands. Alright, next we're making our veggies for the week, so I'm just taking this 3-pack of green bell peppers that I got at Aldi and a red onion. Now, please do not come for me for my cooking and cutting and chopping abilities. We are learning, okay guys, we're not the best chef here. We do not know how to cut things, clearly, as you can see with probably how I hold the knife, but you know what, we're trying. So we're just cutting up our vegetables and chopping up our onion. Very, very simple. So I just ended up roasting these veggies in the oven with some seasonings, and then this is me chopping up my chicken. I didn't show you guys the rest of my seasoning of the veggies, but I just literally put salt, pepper, and then a little bit of Italian seasoning, and then roasted those in the oven, and they came out perfect. This is me just chopping up my chicken into small pieces. Yes, I eat like a child, but I like to have it already cut up and chopped up for when I'm prepping my lunch for the week. But this chicken turned out so juicy, so delicious. I mean, I show you guys a little close up. It's amazing. I'm telling you, it's the chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's. Thank me later. It is so good. Okay guys, so it is 12:15. I just finished all of my meal prep for the week. I only showed you guys little clips of the meal prep because I feel like I just rather do that in like a full video and kind of do like a weight loss video. So I just like showed little clips of it. But this week we're gonna be eating chicken Caesar salads for lunch, and then I'm going to be having for dinner, I'm just gonna do ground beef, bell peppers, onions, and a little bit of mozzarella cheese, like a Philly cheesesteak vibe, with some potatoes and hot honey. That's what I've been eating like a lot, and I'm not doing carnivore or anything like that, but I am trying to eat a lot more high protein meals. But I can go in depth in that in another video if you guys want to see it. So right now it's 12:15. I didn't get to do my Bible journaling this morning, so I'm going to do that now, and then I will probably check in with you guys after we do that. Well, hello friends. It is Sunday. It is now 1:30. I am sitting down to put on some makeup so I can film a video, and TikTok has been restored, so it was a fun like 12 hours without TikTok. Just kidding, it was awful. I opened the app up, like the amount of times that I've opened up the app is quite embarrassing. Because it's just like a natural like habit. Like I just literally just would click TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and throw on some YouTube, and I'm going to get ready. So I'll see you guys when I'm ready. Okay, so I am just sitting down right now. I'm about to film a Halara haul, but I wanted to show you guys a couple items that the brand Popilush sent me. Valentine's Day is coming up, and if you want to find something really nice to wear for Valentine's Day, Popilush is a great place to check out. They are available on Amazon, and they sent me over 3 of their items. So this first item is a bodysuit, and this is in a size large. It is this red, as you guys can see, it's like a very vibrant red bodysuit, and it has like the snap closure going down. What I like about this snap closure is even though it snaps, these bottom ones down here at the bottom do not open. So it's like completely stitched in here, so you don't have to worry about it just like coming undone, because that's like always my fear with buttons that are going up and down, because I'm like, oh no, they're gonna come undone. But with these ones, they stay. And what I love about these is that they really like hold you in. They're very tummy control, and this is also a thong bottom if you are wondering. I love Popilush. I actually own 2 of their dresses that have like built-in shapewear, and they are seriously amazing. Coming from somebody who isn't like a big shapewear person, like these are so nice. I really, really like this. I got this in a size large. I like this because you can even wear this for Valentine's Day. It's just very like classy, very sexy, but it's really cute. So I liked that. The bodysuit that they sent me is this black faux leather with this like lace detailing. So as you guys can see here, this is the bodysuit. So it has like this built-in bra inside the bodysuit. So as you can see, it's like this black lace. And what I like about this is when you put it on, it like is like a little peekaboo, like peek through. I love this. It's just super cute. And again, it gives you that corset detail, but it's not a corset, which I really, really like. Again, another thong bottom, if you were wondering. I got this in a size extra large, and it fits perfectly. I would say either get your true size or size up 1, because again, like, I don't want to be super constricted. Some people really like to be like really sucked in. That's not how I like to be in bodysuits. So I did get an extra large. I probably could get away with the large because it does fit a little bit bigger in the bottom area, but I think everywhere else it fits good. The support with the girls is amazing, and I really, really like this. I love the style of it. It's just something different, and I don't own anything like it. And the last item that they sent me is this jumpsuit, which is a faux leather jumpsuit. So what I love about this one is it has that built-in shapewear all throughout the bottom. So it's going to give you like full tummy control, and it's gonna also give you that corset detail that you really, really like. Like, it's going to snatch the waist. What I also love about this is that these straps are detachable, so if you wanted to wear this as a strapless moment, you totally could. I absolutely love this so much. There is built-in padding in here in the bust as well. So this, I just feel really supported as well. And I love this because you can do so many looks with it. It is a more wide leg bottom. I think this will be so cute to wear in the spring as well as even in the fall. It's really, really nice. You could wear it now and throw on like a fur coat. It's giving Mob Wives vibes, but I'm here for it. And I just think there's so many ways to style this, and it's just such a beautiful piece. So I love this. Like, I could even see this with like some cowboy boots and like a bunch of turquoise jewelry. Like, that is such a vibe. And then throw on a cowboy hat. Chef's kiss. That is going to look so good. So these are the 3 items that I got from Popilush. Thank you so much to Popilush for sending me these items. I will link them down below. Check them out on Amazon, and you guys are gonna love them. I'll have them linked over on my Amazon storefront as well. Okay, friends, we are at Target now. I wanted to go pick up a couple things. I'm out of like face wash, and I figured I'd go take a little peek at their new like spring stuff that they have out, because they have these sandals out. And yes, it is negative like 3 degrees outside, but I'm gonna need sandals for the summer. So let's go into Target. Let's see what they have. It's so cold, you guys, but let's go. Out of Target, I just picked up a couple things at Target. Literally, like, so unserious of a trip. But I got my La Roche-Posay hydrating cleanser. This is my favorite cleanser. Like, I swear by this cleanser. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but I swear by this cleanser. I also saw that they had this Oikos Pro 23 grams of protein, like little yogurt, and it's 140 calories for 23 grams of protein. I got mango pineapple. We'll try it out, see if we like it. I picked up a pack of gum, and I also got these sandals because I wanted them last time I was at Target, and I picked them up. They're super cute. I got these in a size 7.5. My foot has shrunk. I was wearing like a size 8, and now I'm like definitely a size 7.5, maybe 7. So my foot has lost weight as well. Hello, golden hour. And I'm just gonna close out this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you want. I don't know if TikTok's gonna be around for a long time, but we're back. We're back, baby. We're back on TikTok. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't have many troubles, but I think you just cut them into